Next section, development of positive attitude. Steps to developing a positive mental and work attitude. First, think positive. Second, develop can do attitude. Do not complain. 4. Keep positive thinking, friends. 5. Be appreciative. 6. Control your frustration. 7. Live in the present. 8. Habits of maintaining a positive mental attitude. 9. Accept whatever situation you find yourself. 10. Focus on the positive side of every problem. 11. Focus on solution. 12. Make a list of possible solutions to the problem. 13. Focus on the future. Development of positive attitude. First, figure out what you love and do it. Second, no matter what, accept the best. 3. Boost your self-esteem. 4. Complain, praise others. 5. Be resilient. 6. Failure is part of learning. 7. I can do hard things. 8. I always give my best. 7 ways to maintain positive attitude. 1. Do not wait for happiness. 2. Clarify and prioritize. 3. Be resilient. 4. Self-energy talk. 5. Laugh away. 6. Seize the day. 7. Be an optimist. 5 habits of maintaining a positive mental attitude. 1. Accept weather situation you find yourself. 2. Focus on the positive side of every problem. 3. Focus on solution. 4. Make a list of possible solutions to the problem. 5. Focus on the future. What makes your life 100%? Which of these makes your life 100%? Skills, knowledge, hard work and attitude. Each letter of the alphabet is given a numerical value. Using this, find out which of these make your life 100%. Skill 82%, knowledge 96%, hard work 98%, attitude only 100%. Attitude versus successes. Look at this graph. Attitude and chance of success. I can, I would not, I wish I could, I do not know how, I think I might, I want to do, I think I can, I might, I will, I can, I did. So positive thought, positive attitude can more chances for success in every life, individual life, work life as well as family life. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.